Hi everyone and welcome to I Want to Bake Free with me, Maria Goretti. So, we are dedicating today's episode to all those badmash bacche we know, especially my two, जो खाने पीने में इतना पी पू ची चा करते हैं. बच्चों को जंक फूड से जितना प्रेम है, उतना ही they run away from healthy food. So today we're going to do some clever cooking and make the junk food healthy. You know what? Secretly, I have to admit that हम सब में वो एक छोटा बच्चा है that doesn't always enjoy healthy food like dal. But when presented in an interesting manner, we just love it. Now I know how to do this smart. इसलिए आज I'm going to be baking a lentil bread. My kid's favorite, mini veggie pizza. Very, very scary buttercream fondant ghost cake. So today, let us start making our lentil bread. Every time I'm making something that's seriously healthy, I see to it that I never, ever tell the kids that it's healthy. So, here it is. You take your soaked and ground urad dal paste, because now that is exactly what it is. So into this you add salt, a little pepper, flax seeds, then of course a nice big squeeze of lime. You have baking powder, and you have tapioca powder. So mix this all up. So now this is our loaf tray. All I'm going to do is smear it with some butter. Our dough is ready to go into the oven. So frankly, I would allow my kids to eat as many slices of this bread as possible, smeared with cheese or smeared with butter. It's absolutely fine because this is so healthy that everything's good. So now this is going to get into the oven, 200 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. So 30 minutes are up, our bread is ready, so let's go get it. This is it. So simple and so quickly baked. So take a look at the recap and come right back.
To make lentil bread, in a bowl, add 200 grams soaked and ground urad dal paste, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon flax seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 60 gram tapioca powder. Mix it well. Smear 1 to 2 tablespoon butter in a baking container and pour the prepared batter in it. Now, in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Your lentil bread is ready.